Construction of a box or cabinet for your amplifier. When selling an amp, it's not enough to have a good circuit. We must also give a good presentation and get success in marketing. This manual will teach you to build your own boxes that will make their products more gaudy in the eyes of its customers. Here's the box for 300 watts amplifier. If you want to build a box for another amplifier, the process is the same as we will expose below. Procedure: having a 20 gauge iron sheet with previously shaped bent U-form with a pair of flanges 2 cm, we proceed to measure each circuit or object will go inside the box. We place the amplifier card, the fan and transformer. Mark the holes for the screws which will hold the patties. We mark the spot where the fan will be placed. And with the lid of a container having the same dimensions of the fan, we proceed to draw a circle. The mesh serves to mark fan holes, fan setting. To make the perforation of the RCA terminals, input signals have this arm, which serves as a formwork. Be sure to measure distance for achieving a fair and balanced design. To make the hole for the speaker output terminals, we build mold in cardboard. Points are marked with a marker to then connect the dots. Mark the holes for the use of holder and power cord input. The front drilling must be done using as a template that the decal previously did in the design software. Must match perfectly the drawing with the potentiometers of the preamplifiers. We fix the decal with the masking tape. And with the aid of a marker, dot each hole. Remember, the sticker should have perforations. We remove the sticker and proceed to do all the drilling. Each hole must be made with the bit corresponding according to size. The fan hole is made with a manual jigsaw and a metal blade. This procedure requires experience in the management of the jigsaw. Also be sure to wear goggles to avoid accident caused by metal shrapnel. The hole of the terminal output to the speakers also made with a manual jigsaw and a metal blade. To achieve a good finish in fitting the parts, we must use a lime or rasp and polish the edge of the holes, removing any burrs or splinters that could reach, cut off, or hinder the assembly. Each object must fit neatly into its respective hole. Countersink the drill holes with a larger bit drill diameter. Notice how it should be the RCI terminal in place. In the grip tabs should be made 4 holes for fastening the wooden lid to the plate. These holes should be all the same distance. The blade is painted with electrostatic paint, giving presentation taller than conventional paint. The lid of the box is a tunnel constructed from sheets of chipboard or MDF, which enter the metal sheet. It is important to leave room for 5 mm for the upholstery. We start by gluing the sides to the floor. Mark the width of the side. On the floor, we make 3 equidistant holes with a bit drill 1/8. Countersink subsequently holes between the screw head. We apply white glue for wood. We put 4 self-drilling tapping screws 1.5 inch and screw. Proceed paste the other side with the floor and repeat the same procedure, pasting the roof with the sides. The foil should fit loosely in the wooden tunnel. We sanded all the corners, removing the edge in order to give a smoother finish. We make holes that later must match the holes in the top of the sheet tabs. For these 4 screw self-drilling holes come to be responsible for ensuring the box, thus preventing leakage of blade wooden tunnel. The life of the amplifier depends on good ventilation, hot air exit through side holes. These holes open with a bit drill of a cup of 2 inches. Sanded edges. Now, to use glue to paste the cover of rubber solution. These glues are applied on both surfaces to be bonded. To apply the glue on the wood, use a cloth or a piece of the same material as the upholstery. Apply evenly and thoroughly. To apply the paste on a soft material, in this case carpet, use a spatula that can be built with a piece of cardboard. It applies evenly and without clumping or spaces without glue. The glue is allowed to dry before attaching the parts to be bonded. At the time of the coating paste, press as hard as possible using the fingertips and the edge of the palms. Avoid leaking wrinkles or when pasting is asymmetrical. The upholstery should be done in sections to avoid any wrinkles or uneven glue. Again, apply the glue to both surfaces to be bonded. After the glue has dried on both surfaces, are joined by pressing source and evenly pushing up towards the ends. Paste the last face in the same manner as above. The job of the upholstery must be impeccable, so it looks as possible. For this we use a metal roller and a scalpel, making a straight cut and precise. The finish at the edges is very important. It cuts into the corner. We proceed to make cuts of 45 degrees in the corners. Apply glue to both surfaces to be bonded. Glue is applied evenly and without clumping, excessive or spaces without glue. When the glue is dry, stick each edge one at a time, taking into account not to leave slots in which you can see the wood. Press hard with the fingertips. Glue the 4 tabs on the inside so that when entering the metal sheet, only see the upholstery and wood. We make the glue from all sides, repeating the same procedure. Apply the glue. And after the glue dried, the parts are pressed down hard. Now open the side vent holes using a scalpel. Paint the edge of the two sides vent holes with a black paint. In this way we will not wood. Then we give a static finish to these holes. Place wire mesh which serve as a protectors in turn embellishes in the design of our cabinet. Are fixed with self-tapping screws of 1/2 inch. We place a plastic handle with a metal core, which will serve for easy transportation of the amplifier. Must be placed very well centered so the weight is distributed in a balanced way. We put plastic corners which serve to protect the furniture from bumps and give it a very good presentation. Use 1/2 inch self-tapping screws. Here's the finished wooden tunnel. Note that the metal sheet should enter the tunnel smoothly and no spaces. Now paste the sticker previously done in the design software, showing the functions of the buttons on the front. Must fix the decal to the sheet at one edge, taking into account the pattern to match with the holes. We remove the protective paper, the adhesive backing, and cut a piece. We stick to the foil. We remove the tape used to attach the sticker beforehand. And we stick the sticker considering pressing with fingertip to make a pasting evenly and without bubbles. We present our cabinet finished and ready to start assembling the amplifier. The importance we give to the design and development of these cabinets due to the need to create a marker for all products in our website. Success!